Let's see how do we clone the repository using the bash in the VS Code. So click on this terminal, click on the new terminal, and you get over here the new terminal. And inside this, let's get onto the Git Bash. If you do not have the Git Bash, try to download this from the Google and install on your system. And yep, here in this Git Bash, and I go into this Git Bash. Uh, I do see here there is the navigation into this another folder. So yep, let me get out of this folder using cd space. So yep, I just came out of this document. So I'm gonna clone this repository somewhere in the pictures. So what I do is cd space pictures. I went into the picture and let me create a folder and get dir. I can just send this sit. Oh, sorry. Cannot create directory file already exists. Okay, great. So, yep, there's already a file existing. So let me delete this one and yep, I go over here and get dir sit and I got the sit created. Yep, I can see it over here. And yep, let me navigate inside this sit. Yep, I'm already into this and just go to your SVN. Either the SVN can be your Bitbucket or Git. It, just clone this uh, repository by copying this particular command and hit it over here and then enter and your